The Supreme Court on Monday allowed President Trump to fire a leader of the Federal Trade Commission, setting up a court battle over a 90-year-old limit on executive power over independent agencies. In an emergency order, a divided court announced that it would allow President Trump, for now, to fire Rebecca Kelly Slaughter, a FTC commissioner, and that it would hear argument in the case in December, a signal that a majority of the court is ready to revisit a landmark precedent limiting presidential authority. Mr. Trump had fired Ms. Slaughter and Alvaro Bedoya, two Democratic members of the FTC, in March. The federal agency, which enforces consumer protection and antitrust laws, typically has 5 commissioners, 3 from the president's party and 2 from the opposing party. After their firing, the 2 commissioners had said they planned to challenge their removal in court, relying on a 1935 landmark Supreme Court case, Humphrey's Executor v. United States, that also involved the firing of an FTC commissioner. In its brief order Monday, the court said it would consider in December the broader question of whether to overturn the precedent that has prevented presidents from removing independent regulators without cause and solely over policy disagreements. The decision by the court's conservative majority to allow Mr. Trump to remove Ms. Slaughter drew a dissent from the 3 liberal justices. Justice Elena Kagan said her conservative colleagues had essentially allowed the president to take charge of agencies Congress intended to protect from partisanship. She wrote that the court's majority, order by order, has handed full control of all those agencies to the president.